Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with one bunch of data set. It's the data of class 5 attendance sheet. So let's make one good attendance sheet with percentage attendance. Let's insert some checkboxes on these cells. Go to insert and checkbox. All the checkboxes are here. So now you can tick the days the student attended, and now you can find out the percentage. Now it's not here, and you can find out the percentage equals to count by using count if formula. The range is this. Select the range and comma true, this, and divide it by all the days when the where the college is open, like 5 days college is open. So it's 0%. If you tick here, it's 22, 0.2, 0.56. So now let's convert it into percentage. It's the 60% attendance. So let's make it somehow standard. Like if any student attended below 80%, it will show red, and that we will inform to the parents of that children, that student. And let's make it conditional formatting, new rule. Let's make one new rule. Cell value less than 80%. 80%, it will show red color. So now it's okay. Now it's 100% is only one student is showing green, is showing normal. If others are not attended, now it's 80%. If any student attend 80%, it will show normal. Below 80%, it will show red. Thank you guys.